Have I got a treat for you guys? Stay tuned. This is going to knock your socks off. Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening Canning Recipes. A little bit of everything. I am going to be making homemade gourmet vanilla extract. And why am I making it right now? Because the way I make it, it is going to need to cure about 6 to 12 months. So these are going to be great gifts for the Christmas season that is 11 months away. But guys, it is going to be super, and I wanted to get the video out so that you could start yours now if you decide to do this. Now, I don't know if you guys have paid attention, but number one, Christmas season is the baking season. So it starts around November. People are starting to bake, so I want to get this done so that our vanilla extract, our gourmet vanilla extract, is available by the holidays. But it's been a long time since you've been able to find pure vanilla extract in the grocery store. So we have the Adam's Best, and this is very clear. It says twice as strong, but it is vanilla flavor extract, not vanilla. And then this we buy at our local dairy, and it's called Vanilla Pura, and can't understand everything that's on the label, but it does have some vanilla bean, but it's vanilla bean extract. Purified water, alcohol, honey corn, candy, natural color, contains no coumarin. It does have some conservatives or additives, or I think it does. No, it says it doesn't. So anyway, it's very hard to find pure vanilla extract. So I made this last week myself, and it's only been on the shelf for about a week, guys, and I opened it up a while ago, and you can already smell the strong vanilla aroma coming from it. This is huge, guys, and it will last indefinitely on the shelf. So I'm going to show you how to make this super quick and easy. Anybody can do it, very cheap, but let me tell you something, when it comes to using it and when it comes to the gifts that you may give your friends and your family, it is immeasurable. Pure vanilla extract is very expensive. It depends on what brand you get, but I've seen some guys up to $100 for a small bottle. So let's get started on making this, and I'll show you how. So this is not going to cost me a lot of money, and I'm going to end up making 5 little 8-ounce cork bottles of this vanilla extract. So each bottle, guys, is going to cost about $6 a piece. So we have our natural or native vanilla. These came from Papua New Guinea, and this is grade B. There are 2 grades of vanilla. There's grade A and there's grade B. And from what I understand, grade B is what you want to go for. And we're going to use about 3 of these beans per 8-ounce bottles. These cost about $1 a piece, so we're going to have about $3 worth of beans. I bought the cheapest Kentucky bourbon that I could find. Now, some people use vodka, guys, to make this, and then they end up adding maybe some caramel color or something, and I don't want to do this. So you can do it either way, but you do want at least 36% alcohol or 80 proof. This is 80 proof Kentucky Deluxe blended whiskey bourbon. So this is what we're going to use. So you can just go ahead and put the beans in your bottles if you so choose. But I'm going to go ahead and score mine, and I'm not very good at this. But I want to break it open just a little bit so that that vanilla bean, and let's see, is that going to fit? Yeah. Will start to open up and flavor it pretty quick. Now you can do, there's another method where you can cut these open and you can take the seeds out, and you can see the seeds there, and you can go ahead and heat up your bourbon or your vodka and let the beans simmer a little bit, and then pour it into these bottles and let them simmer, or put them in the bottles and let them cool, and then go ahead and fill the rest up with your bourbon. Guys, this is going to be a double extra strength of vanilla extract. And I'll tell you what, whoever gets these for Christmas, I think they're going to be quite happy. So let me keep going here and get my bottles filled. So I've gone ahead and added 5 beans per 8 ounces of bourbon. And again, you can use vodka. And I did go ahead and score my beans. So this is going to be probably about $8 into my little project here per bottle. And guys, it's going to be priceless when it's done. And I'm just going to seal my little corks in here. And we're going to go on down the line and fill the rest. So I didn't quite use this bottle of bourbon, and this was 1.75 liters, guys. So I'm still going to stick with about $8 per bottle. But what you're going to do, so now that I have these filled, is you're going to put these in a cool, dark place, and you're going to shake them every couple of days. And you're going to do this until you're ready to give them away. Now again, these 6 to 12 months, guys, is the aging. The longer, the better. And what you can do after you give these away, you want to be sure and tell the people after they exhaust their extract, save the vanilla beans for coffees, for recipes, for desserts. There's other things you can do with these vanilla beans that will be infused with bourbon. Again, you can use vodka. You just need to make sure that whatever it is you use, that you use an 80 proof alcohol. So how exciting is that, guys, that something that costs so much money, that is so needed during the baking season or any time that you're doing cookie making or dessert making, pie making that requires vanilla extract, that you can make it for about $8 at home, and it's way better than the stuff that you will buy in the store that is imitation vanilla. And it's just as good as the ones that you may pay quite the price for. So I wanted to do this video and show you guys how excited I am about this, and I don't know if you can tell how excited I am about it, but I am stoked. These are going to be great gifts. Now the question is who's going to get them at Christmas time this year? So anyway, thank you guys for watching. We are doing some seed starting today. I'll do another video on that. But we love each and every one of you. God bless. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care, and I will see you shortly.